speaking with Marlo Sweatman. Marlo, you have rejoined the team. Welcome back to the Reggae Girlz.
Thank you. Very happy to be here.
All right. What has been happening with you? How you been over the last year?
Yes, I'm playing in Hungary. We are in one of the top teams in the middle of the pack right now, but working our way to the top. I've been playing in the attacking mid position, scoring a lot of goals, and I feel like I'm in a good form.
So what can you bring to this team? It's a young team needing support like you.
Yeah, I definitely think I agree it's a young team, so I bring a lot of experience, some leadership in the midfield as well as a part of off the field, so to help them grow as players and to grow as people off the field as well and enjoy the moment of representing the national team.
How important is this game, you think, as we move forward?
Yeah, it's absolutely very important for the Gold Cup qualifications, but I think even more for the country of Jamaica as well. It's very important.